Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay and I am going to dictate you a non-stop passage containing 400 words at the speed of 80 words per minute. So get ready. 3 seconds. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, the recommendation on certain observations of the board with regard to the policy on children of our country is really speaking a very good outcome and a very good exercise. I have patiently heard the views on the policy as they were expressed by our Honorable Deputy Minister on the last day of the previous session. I also congratulated him for his attitude towards the children. But I would like to point out a new things on this national policy on children which is followed in other countries as well as in India. In India, perhaps it is a known fact both from the point of view of religion and that of ancient thinking that the child is treated as God. Usually, it is a common phenomenon both in the villages and in the cities. This symbolizes our devotion to children. It also indicates our expectations and our dreams about children. I could really appreciate that when we were under the British rule, we could not evolve a suitable policy in relation to children with a view to improving their conditions. But we are now a free country. Passage. After taking oath as the Prime Minister of Free India, Jawaharlal Nehru never forget to mention something about the children of India whenever he spoke, whether on the occasion of Republic Day, Independence Day, or any other occasion. He thought that the country could have been built much more constructively if the children had been given sufficient care and they had been made to feel that they were partners in all our work. This was also the thinking of Lenin in Soviet Russia. Immediately after the revolution, Lenin used to speak about children on all occasions and say that they should be given due care. This resulted in the formation of the Young Pioneers group for children between the ages of 6 and 14 in Soviet Union and other socialist countries. In all the socialist countries, this group is recognized, engineered, financed, and administered by the governments and given highest priority in the matter of development. Similarly, measures have been undertaken recently in Iraq also. While I was there recently, I could see that they have adopted the same policy. The first priority is given to them by that country. In our country, many organizations do take care of the children. Voluntary organizations and the state governments do provide them with many facilities. Stop over.